Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to view all blocked numbers on Android. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to see complete list of numbers blocked on your phone, then you simply need to open contacts. In contacts, you need to press on fix and manage. Now here press on blocked numbers. Now here you will find the list of numbers which is blocked on your phone, and from here you can very easily unblock any number. Now suppose I want to unblock this number, then I simply need to press on this cross icon and here press on unblock. Like this I can unblock the remaining list. So friends, like this you can very easily view all blocked numbers on your Android phone and also unblock them. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.